Young colors. Orange. Yellow. It's like lemon.
No.
Purple. Green. It's like apple. Blue color. Яточкай.
No.
Pink. Let's mix the colors. Yeah. Sugar. Let's put our cake in the oven. Okay. Let's decorate it. Oh, yes. Pink, green, blue, red, yellow, teal. Let's cut the cake. Okay. Thank you. Rainbow cake. Oh my God. Okay. Alice, look, we need to find all the colors. Let's make a color smoothie. Yeah. Oh, I found orange. Can you cut it, please? Yeah. Orange. Oh, I found kiwi. Green. Strawberry. Yeah. Oh. Bananas. Yellow. Oh, yes. It's a plum. I got you. Purple. Oh yeah, thank you. It's so tasty. My gosh. Okay, let's make ice cream. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. Red. Orange. Yellow. Blue. Green. We need to wait 5 minutes. Okay. Ready! Wow! Rainbow ice cream! Yummy! I like it! It's so interesting to learn the colors! Oh, yes! Alice! Uh-oh! Oh no, my dress! Idea! Let's go! Whoa! Alice, can you make me a new dress, please? Yes! Alice, I want a Cinderella dress. Okay. Blue. Here, dear. What? Alice, it's not a Cinderella dress. Okay. I want to be Aurora. Can you make me a new dress? Of course. Pink. Yeah. Oopsie. I'm not a princess. I'm a superhero again. Okay. Choose. This one. Game. Yeah. Alice! I got you! Oopsie! Alice, I want to be a princess! Okay. Oh! I want this dress, like Wednesday. Good. Back. Done. No! I think I fixed it. Yay! I finished. Wow! I'm a princess now! I like. Thank you, Alice. Next one.
It's me.
Come. What do you want? Okay. Alice, we need the tools. Okay. Let's go. Thank you, Alice. Whoa. Which color would you like? Pink. Okay.
I like it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Who's next in line?
Me. Hello.
Hello. What do you want?
I want a new hairstyle.
Okay, Alice, we need the hairbrushes. Let's go. Thank you, Alice. Wait a minute.
Surprise.
It's time. Oh.
It's so blue. Maybe we try something else?
Okay. Ready. Oopsie.
I like it.
Oh,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. I'm hungry. It's lunchtime.
Excuse me.
What? Next. Let's go.
Thank you. Ooh. No. I need a foot massage.
Okay.
Relax. I want a manicure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ah, so beautiful. I like it. Wow. It's so nice. And I want something for my hair.
Yeah. Alice, let's try this.
Oh, girls, thank you so much. I like it. Thank you very much. No need to change.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Alice, it's clean up time. Let's go. I think it's enough today. Okay. We are closed. Bye bye.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Excuse me. I want to eat something.
Okay.
Thank you. I want pizza and eggs, please.
Oh, yes. Let's go.
Thank you.
What happened? Do we have an order? Yes. Pizza and egg. Okay. We need to wait 10 minutes. It's okay.
I'm so hungry. It's so delicious.
Cool. Now it's time cooking eggs. Okay. Huh? There are no eggs. Oh no. Alice, let's go to the farm. We will find eggs
Okay.
Thank you so much.
It smells so good.
The eggs are ready.
So yummy. Thank you. It's so delicious. But it's too small. I need a giant eggs.
What happened? Big. Ah, big eggs. Okay. A little bit magic. I'm okay.
Is this all for me?
Yes.
Thank you. So yummy. But I'm still hungry. Do you have more food?
Yes.
I want a burger, a French fries, and coffee, please.
Okay.
Excuse me, and I want all big.
Oh, thank you. Burger, French fries, and cappuccino. Okay. We need milk for cappuccino. Huh? We are out of milk. Let's go to the farm again to find the cow.
Hello.
I need some milk.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cappuccino is ready. Only burger and fries left. Okay.
Thank you. My cappuccino.
Yummy.
It was so tasty. Thank you.
Cake.
Why so big?
Big egg, big share.
I don't have so much money.
You can wash the dishes.
Huh? Okay.